The acidic strength of halo acids are of the order HF less than HCl less than HBr less than HI. That means HI is a strong acid and HF is a weak acid. What is the reason for this? Let me explain you. Acidic nature or acidic strength of halo acids. First of all, hydrogen halides are generally gaseous in nature and they are essentially covalent. But when you dissolve them in water, they act as good acids. What is the reason? What is the reason? Higher the value of bond dissociation energy, lower will be degree of ionization. What is alpha? Degree of ionization. And hence weaker is the acid. Therefore, bond dissociation, increasing order of bond dissociation enthalpy is as follows. Hydroiodic acid has least bond dissociation enthalpy, whereas hydrofluoric acid has maximum bond dissociation enthalpy. Therefore, acidity follows the reverse order of bond dissociation enthalpy, as acidity is inversely proportional to magnitude of bond dissociation enthalpy. Therefore, increasing order of acidity is HF less than HCl less than HBr less than HI. One of the most exceptional reason for low acidity of hydrofluoric acid compared to other halo acids is that there is a extensive stronger intermolecular hydrogen bonding between fluoride ion to the H3O plus ion as compared to other halides.